So I have a really cool magnetic neck holder for any kind of POV shots from your phone. You can also use it with action cameras. So with the phone, it's got a MagSafe ring on it, which is great. Just pops on there, get those POV shots, show your hand so you can be doing things and getting the shots like that. It does come with adhesive MagSafe rings, so you can put that on, you know, any kind of device that you'd want to use that with, which is really simple. The actual part that goes around your neck is nice and like it's like a Gumby feeling, so you can kind of contort it and move it around like that, and then has like a release button so you can take it off easily like that. You can also even use this as, you know, like kind of a little selfie stick if you need to really quick, or like a tripod. You can kind of contort this around and sit it down there. And the other thing is, if you're, you know, doing some jogging with it and you want some extra stability, because normally you'd be jogging and move up and down, it does come up with these straps that can actually go around the handle right here, and then that'll go around your back and actually hold that a lot stronger. So this one releases the neck mount, just pops into place. The other one actually releases this mount right here, so you can twist this off and then it pops back on with like a magnet and sits into place. So you can actually see it in real time pop on, and then you'll see the button pop out when it's locked, which is cool. But you can take that off, and at the bottom there it actually has a quarter thread, so you can even put like a selfie stick on that and use this just that easily as a MagSafe kind of like selfie stick. But you can take this part off here, and this is where you can use it with an action camera, and it does come with an action camera little screw thread, so you could pop it through there, and then yeah, you can have your GoPro or anything just sitting there on your chest getting those cool POV shots. If you're, you know, on a bike or scooter or anything really, it's just a really cool way to do it, and it's just a lot faster than any other way. And I also love these two buttons on here. I think these are brilliant how they work. And also just this thing popping on, just knowing it is secure when that button goes down. So overall, really great quality. Probably one of the best neck mounts I've actually seen, and highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.